Welcome to Cine Tech, where we review smart home tech. Today we're looking at the YEEDI M12 PRO Gen2, a highly automated robot vacuum and mop system from Ecovacs. It promises powerful suction, advanced mapping, and comprehensive self-cleaning features. We'll break down if it truly delivers for busy households. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into how the M12 PRO Gen2 performs in everyday situations, covering its core cleaning abilities. Hard floor cleaning is a major strength due to its powerful suction and the effective OZMO Turbo 2.0 dual rotating mop pads. It easily lifts dust and spills. Pet hair is managed very well thanks to the ZeroTangle 3.0 technology, which significantly reduces hair wrap around the main brush. This means less manual cleaning for you. Navigation is highly efficient, utilizing TrueMapping 2.0 LDS laser navigation to create accurate maps for full home coverage. It learns your layout quickly for optimal routes. Mopping efficacy is impressive because the dual rotating pads apply consistent pressure, effectively tackling dried stains and sticky spills. The auto-refill dock keeps performance consistent. The M12 PRO Gen2 delivers strong, hands-off cleaning across various floor types, making it a reliable daily assistant for keeping your home tidy. Next, we consider the overall value proposition of the M12 PRO Gen2 within the competitive robot vacuum market. The features for the price are exceptional, offering advanced automation like self-emptying, mop washing, and hot air drying. These are typically found in much more expensive models. Brand trust is solid, as YEEDI benefits from the extensive experience and reputation of its parent company, Ecovacs. This provides confidence in its core technology. Against competitors, the M12 PRO Gen2 delivers strong value, often providing features comparable to flagship Roborock or Dream systems at a more accessible price. This is a key advantage. Its discount appeal is very high, making it an even more compelling purchase when available during sales events. The value proposition becomes truly exceptional at a lower cost. The M12 PRO Gen2 presents excellent value for its price point, packing a robust set of features that often cost significantly more in competing brands. Finally, we examine any potential downsides or common complaints associated with the M12 PRO Gen2 for informed buying. Build quality is solid, reflecting the experience from the Ecovacs ecosystem. System reliability is generally good, but the complex OMNI station, with its various functions, means occasional user maintenance will be needed. This is typical for advanced docks. Support and warranty align with expectations for a brand under Ecovacs, offering standard protections. Knowing it's backed by a larger entity provides extra peace of mind. App compatibility is good, but the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi requirement can sometimes complicate initial setup for users with mixed networks. This is a common point to consider. The risks associated with the M12 PRO Gen2 are generally manageable for a product with this level of complexity and automation. It's a reliable system. The YEEDI M12 PRO Gen2 is an excellent choice for pet owners and busy households seeking a comprehensive, hands-off cleaning solution. Its strong vacuuming, effective mopping, and fully automated dock make it a standout. While 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is a minor setup point, its overall feature set and value, especially during promotions, are highly compelling for anyone looking to upgrade their floor care automation.